Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Next.js UI templates for web apps, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit your preferred web browser. Navigate to your favorite search engine. Type in Next.js UI templates. Press the Enter key. Browse through the search results. Look for websites that offer free or premium Next.js templates. Select a reputable site that meets your needs. Review the available templates. Choose a template that suits your project requirements. Click on the template you want to download. Read the template description carefully. Check the required specifications and dependencies. Locate the download button on the page. Click on the download button. You may be redirected to a sign-up page or payment portal. Complete any necessary registration or purchase steps. Once downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the zip template file, if necessary. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where you extracted the files. Run the command to install dependencies, usually npm install or yarn install. After installation, run the development server using the command npm run dev or yarn dev. Customize the template to fit your project needs. Enjoy building your web app with Next.js. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.